Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 849, and today's topic is the important uses of liquid waste decomposer multiplier. Means the multiplied liquid waste decomposer is with you as a liquid organic fertilizer, can be used for multi-purpose. It can be used as a organic pesticide, insecticide. Also, we can use it to dress the seeds so that other microorganisms will not destroy or damage it. And also, this mass multiplied liquid waste decomposer, that is called liquid organic fertilizer, can be used in drip irrigation in the liquid form, and where 200 liter is enough to apply in 1 acre. And once we are preparing insecticide or pesticide, then the ratio should be 1:3, means one part of that multiplied liquid waste decomposer and 3 part water, and then spray it on the crop, and it will protect from the pest and insecticide. And also it is very much effective for production of some microorganisms, some nutrients, and make the soil more saline and more porous. And it has been reported that the application of this fertilizer, or we can say multiplied liquid waste decomposer, can increase the yield of some crops, especially the potato, because the land becomes more porous and its hardness will be reduced. So it has multi-purpose uses as a substitute to replace the synthetic pesticide, synthetic insecticide, even some synthetic chemicals which are used to preserve the seeds. So we can avoid it, and in this way we can reduce drastically the pollutants in our grains and in crop, because this liquid waste decomposer is not toxic, and it can help a lot without any pollution. And also it can be used in many places where there are some housefly, mosquito, undesired microorganisms. You just in place of Dettol, it can be used in toilet and other places. It can reduce drastically the foul smell, and some other growth of microorganisms will be checked. So it has multi-purpose. So here the important uses of multiplied liquid waste decomposer. If I say multiplied liquid waste decomposer, means it is the same thing organic solution, it is the same thing organic fertilizer, because we have done the multiplication of trillions of microorganisms by the process, by using the culture of those microorganisms isolated from cow dung, and that is known as waste decomposer, and that is responsible of multiplying. So this organic fertilizer or organic solution is having multi-purpose use. First main use is fertilizer, and after that some other uses are there that I am going to explain one by one, and these are the important uses. Number one, waste decomposer not only decomposes the bio waste, but it can be used in multiple ways, and these are A. As biopesticide. So it can be used as a biopesticide, means it is not synthetic ones, it is organic bio, and it is not toxic. So the mass multiplied organic liquid culture is diluted in 1:3 ratio, means one part is multiplied, that is liquid waste decomposer, that is organic solution, and 3 part is simple water. So we make this ratio solution and spray ratio with water and apply it as a foliar spray to control pest disease, and it can control all types of soil borne diseases, insects and pests. So all type of diseases can be controlled. So it can control insects and it can control pests. B. Compositing of crop residue. This is also very important use. Once we, after the post harvest of the crop, lot of undesired residue is left in the field, and that can be converted into organic fertilizer by compositing, by applying the that is mass multiplied liquid solution, and spray the mass multiplied organic solution on the post harvest stalks, leaves, all residue of crop plants flooded with water. So first you apply and then flood it with water, and that water medium will allow to multiply those microorganisms and to decompose all these plant residue. And in area like Borno state where there is shortage of water, then you can just spray the water. In water stress area, just sprinkle the solution on crop residue, and when farm does the irrigation in field, the process of decomposition starts. So you can sprinkle this organic solution mass multiplied, and when there is irrigation, then it will decompose all those crop residue. And the 20 liter organic solution can be used for 1 acre land. C. Drip irrigation. It can be, nowadays drip irrigation is very common, where it is very much controlled, water is not wasted. So in that water, this mass multiplied organic solution, or we can say organic solution, is mixed, and after mixing it is drip irrigation is done, and it is very much effective. So for the revival of the soil health, waste decomposer is used during irrigation by mixing the mass multiplied organic solution with 200 liters of organic solution is enough for 1 acre land. So in continuation, the pest control with this organic solution, mass multiplied organic solution is very much helpful in pest control. The mass multiplied organic solution culture is diluted in the ratio of 1:3 with water and applied as a spray to control the pest. Number 2, disease management. So with the help of this organic solution, which we call it mass multiplied waste decomposer or organic solution, a mass multiplied organic culture has great potential to control a variety of fungal, bacterial and viral plant diseases. So this can manage lot of plant diseases which are caused by fungal, bacterial and viral plant diseases. Damping of disease in tomato, peanut, soybean, maize, cabbage, chili, etc. The wilt disease in banana, cotton, tomato, peanut, and potato, etc. So these diseases in these crops can be controlled by the application of this mass multiplied organic solution. Actually, this once we have prepared this solution, what we call it, with the help of that culture waste decomposer, that is liquid organic fertilizer, and that liquid organic fertilizer is known as organic solution, and that has multi-purpose use. Is a new technology of organic farming, organic product, bioproduct, rather than going for synthetic. This is the approach what we are telling, we are explaining, and let farmers get skill and prepare their own fertilizer in their own houses by mass multiplier culture, and they can use, and in this way their, I call it, soil health will be drastically increased, and microbes inside the soil. Actually in soil, microbes and nitrogen cycle, it plays very important role for fertility of the soil. It can also enhance the salinity of the soil, that I will be discussing later on. So this organic fertilizer, or we can call it organic solution, is having lot of potential, and I have given the method how to prepare the solution as well as how to prepare the manure. And number 3, crop quality and yield. It also helps to improve the crop quality as well as it can increase the yield of the crop. Good quality of crop and high yields are the desired feature of any crop by any farmer across the globe. All farmers, they want high yield, good quality crop is the desire of every farmer across the globe. Mass multiplied organic solution, that is culture, is promising tool for good quality of crop and high yields. No need of synthetic urea. Actually, for this one, once you are using in the beginning, you can use 70% organic solution. Still you add 30% synthetic one, just to blend, so that slowly you can replace 100%, because this organic solution, liquid fertilizer, is not having 35 or 40% nitrogen like urea, like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So in the beginning, to meet this demand, we can add up to 30%, but 70% we can use our organic solution, and with this the 70% cost of synthetic fertilizer is reduced. So it is a cost effective. Drastically your fertilizer cost is reduced, and in this case farmers will get more benefit. So high and no need for synthetic urea and NPK required for growing the crop. Organic solution helps to raise the exponentially in soil microorganisms and decomposing the plant crop residue. So this organic solution in the soil exponentially means drastically will increase the multiplication of microorganisms in soil, and that will decompose all the plant material residue in the soil by releasing enzymes, and enzyme will act as is a catalyst. No need of synthetic pesticide, fungicide and insecticide. So with this I will stop, and my advice or recommendation as a chemist to all farmers across the globe: please go for organic fertilizer, go for organic farming in order to reduce the pollutants in the grain, in the crop, in the fruit, in the vegetable, toxic materials, and this is very much beneficial for the salinity, for the health of your soil in the long run, to increase the microbes in the soil. And once microbes are increased in the soil, your soil will be saline, your soil will be porous. And it will not be hard and toward desertification by increasing the pH value. So all the methods of manufacturing of all this technique and technology I have already discussed. Please listen the lecture and you can start producing yourself. And I wish that in Bordeaux State there is one center of organic products, Institute of Organic Product, to produce the organic pesticide, organic fertilizer, organic insecticide, and it should be distributed all over the Nigeria, Africa, anywhere. So once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.